I have created these coasters using only our slicing softwares.
Let's start by creating a new project. Right click on the bed and select the pyramid cylinder. Choose your preferred size. Adjust the thickness. Set top and bottom shell layers to 0. Make sure don't choose those patterns which are not connected to each other, like concentric. Adjust the infill density to your preference. Right click on the model and choose add modifier. Select a shape and adjust the position size as needed. In the strength tab, let's adjust the different infill pattern and percentage. Also the wall loops to make the coaster more stronger. Slice it and see the output. After finalizing it, just print it. To add a custom image modifiers, we will need a clean SVG file for our design. Create a plain coaster, select add modifier and choose SVG. Import your SVG file. Adjust the size and the position, adjust the infill, slice it and preview the output. Consider adding the multiple modifiers to enhance its appeal.
Follow for more amazing tutorials like this.